Hey there, fellow savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to use a Kroger gift card for gas in 2025. With rising fuel prices, using your Kroger gift card wisely can help you stretch your dollars further. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure your Kroger gift card is activated and has a balance. In 2025, Kroger has streamlined this process through their updated app. Download the Kroger app if you haven't already. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're in, log in or create an account, then add your gift card to your digital wallet. This step is crucial because it links your card to your account for seamless transactions. Next, head to a participating Kroger gas station. Not all locations offer fuel, so use the app's store locator to find one near you. When you arrive, there are two main ways to use your card. Option 1. At the pump. Simply insert your gift card into the card reader, select Gift Card, if prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions. If your card is linked in the app, you can even start the pump directly from your phone for contactless fueling. Super convenient in 2025. Option 2. Pay inside the store. Go to the cashier, tell them you want to use your gift card for gas, and they'll process it for you. Remember, some stations might require a minimum purchase or have restrictions, so check the app for any updates specific to your area. A quick tip: always check your gift card balance before heading out to avoid surprises. Also, combining this with Kroger's Fuel Points program can maximize your savings. Earn points on groceries and redeem them for even cheaper gas. Wrapping this up, using a Kroger gift card for gas in 2025 is a breeze with a little prep. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how much you saved. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.